Good late afternoon, everybody. I am Brett. Welcome back to Spare Time Videos. Today we are working on the CJ. We got some things ordered and put on. We've actually gone ahead and taken off the drag link and tie rod. What we're going to be doing today is painting the new ones. We ordered from M.O.R.E Off-Road or offroading.com, mountainoffroading.com, and we've already sized everything up. We've already got them, knuckled in where they're supposed to go. We've already drilled the holes. We got a whole video on that with a breakdown on, how that was done. It's not going to be a super detailed video, but it's going to be enough to where you guys are going to know how to do it and what we did to properly install this kit. This kit does come ready to be, set over the knuckle or under the knuckle with a drag link and the tie rod. This tie rod and drag link are pretty daggone beefy. They're not solid, but they might as well be. But anyways, today we're going to be painting them and making them look nice and pretty. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at them and see what you guys think. So yeah, these are a pretty beefy steel alloy. They come in two different colors. They come in like the bronze looking color, like the metal cloak stuff, but I chose just to get the regular steel. Pretty beefy stuff, guys. I've already taped up the ends and got them prepped and ready. So yeah, kind of an update on the Jeep that I haven't really shown you guys, but yeah, we got new brakes, got the wheel spacers on here. Everything has turned out really good with this so far. Don't really have that great of lighting, so let's see, I'm using my phone. Yeah, so shoot, let's see what I'm doing. Alright, so yeah, we've gone ahead and drilled these out. I think that was with a 5/8 drill bit. Same thing over here. I've gone ahead and drilled this one out as well. The next thing is we're going to have to drill out the pitman arm. So the pitman arm's almost done. We'll get it all nice and drilled out. But what we're going to go ahead and do today is get this sanded up. Go ahead and get all the necessary prep done to get them painted, and we're hopefully going to be matching the color of the wheels. These Walker Evan wheels are pretty freaking sweet, so hopefully we color matched it pretty well. If we didn't color match it, it's going to be black, it's going to be under the Jeep. Not really trying to catch any eyes with any sort of paint scheme. Anyway, alrighty. I'm going to get the painting, and I'll show you the results. This isn't really going to be like a how-to-do thing, but this is just kind of an update and what I'm doing now, so that way you guys can follow along with the journey of the CJ-7 Jeep build. For contrast purposes, I put this up here behind it so you guys can see. This is in the garage, so this isn't really going to kill anything. This is the self-etching primer that I usually use on literally everything. So just to kind of give you a preview of what the color's supposed to look like, Jonathan probably has a pretty good eye, but we just went with a Rust-Oleum metallic, and hopefully it's going to be close enough to the wheels that, it'll match a little bit, but, we're not going for perfectly match, and we're not going for, need to be seen driving on the road. By the way, I did end up getting a new camera. So hopefully we'll get some better shots with some better audio. Anyways, it's just a E4K camera, the case and stuff. But yeah, this GoPro 5 is really killing me. That's how you speed up the process. Alright, so we got 2 coats of primer on here. So what we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and put the first coat of the paint, and then we'll let it dry. Or dry it. Let's go in for a closer look and just see how metallic this is. Alright, Jonathan, let's see how close you were. It's a little off, but we'll deal with it. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is your first time here. Hit that like button. Thank you guys for all my subscribers. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Also, if you like, go back, check out some of my other videos if you're just here for the first time. Anyways, just a quick update. So this Jeep has gotten the 4-inch lift. We've done the wheel spacers. We now have a drag link flip kit with a tie rod kit pretty much, and we're going to be flipping both of those. We started off doing a water pump and an alternator, and let's see, what else have we done? We've done quite a bit to it. We've got new wheels, new tires. Guys, this Jeep's been through a lot of different modifications, so I do have a lot of videos out there. Go check them out. I do appreciate that. Guys, have a good night. Peace out. Keep Jeeping. Take care.